Hello, I am Professor Kakade Aryam from Artsu Technical Campus, MBA Department. So, subject service marketing and chapter second traditional marketing mix elements in services. So, today I will discuss point service place. What is meant by service place? The factors distribution of the tangible goods difference from the service. Okay, intangible goods production is separate from consumption. In service, production and consumption take place simply. So, linking of production with distribution make the service more complex. The distribution of the tangible goods, the service provided and consumer will participate in service production at a specific location. Means the importance of distribution can be tracked in service marketing with the presence in the name of place in the service marketing mix. The intangible nature of services would appear to make the idea of the distribution to the service. Means, but there are more than the huge similarities to make distribution relevant and importance to the service. In terms of marketing, business firm of social organization measure their growth. There are only two options before the service provided when the wants expand in the market operation. So first one, start service outlet at the various place offering the same packages and quality. Second one, to use private distributor for the purpose. So, maintaining standard of the performance at the services outlet always challenging for the service provided. It this job assign the middleman. There may be danger of increase the value of offering bad reputation to the organization. However, in the distributor have the ability and willingness to offer such service. The risk of failure and damages of the company image gets minimized quality in the service reflect in the encounter between consumer and employee of the service firm to make service available at the right time at the right place at the assemble to the consumer with easy of the conversation and conveyance power is the basic of objective distribution of the services. All characteristic of the services influence in the distribution of the service. The tangible consumer to avoid direct personal contact with their banker. The service limit the scope of market expands the validity character of the service limit the change of the standardization and the create of management challenges. Okay, due to service demand and capacity management at the every service outlet become the critical. Consumer participant demand of the customer friendly environment of the equipment at the service distribution. As service cannot be owned, the job of employee become the more critical classification and the convincing customer. If the service are intangible such as education, consultancy and so on, the service provided need to have more direct contact with the consumer. The when tangible play significant in the role service production and the delivery. The requirement of the direct contact may be the reduced or the sometime may be the avoided. That is the service place. Okay. So next one, delivering service through intermediaries. What is meant by intermediaries? That is middleman. Expect for the situation such as distance learning where electronic channels can the distribute service provided and customer come into direct contact in the service provision. This is due to in the of the production and the consumption in the service provided must entitled of the present themselves when customer receive service or find way into involve other the distribution. Quality in service occurs in the service encounter between company and customer, and hence involving other become problematical. The value of the offering decrease and the reputation of the original service may be the damage unless the service distributor is the willing able to perform in the service encounter as the service principal would. Service companies face even more task attention service excellence of the consultancy when intermediates request from the customer. Okay, so role of middleman or intermediates means first one is the information flow. What is meant by information flow? The mediators like wholesaler, agent, buyers, retailer are important sources of information for the marketer. The mediator have to the construction touch with the trade competitor customer. The information received by the mediators will then go to service marketer with careful management if any situation related to information flow. Means role of the middleman in means producer, then wholesaler, retailer, shopkeeper, and final customer, that is supply chain. So information flow including point is first customer demographic and psychological. A retailer will become to known as the changes in the customer profile. Is this attachment area such as the their spending, capacity, address, revenge, family size, occupation, their lifestyle of the attitude. Wholesaler are the sources of information about the strength in weakness of the retailer. Then media habits. What is the media habits? The retailer knew agent and cable operator have their the fingers on the pulse media habit of the public, and the service firm should be the smart use of the tap services. Then entry of new competition brand or the practice of new marketing methods or promotion. That is, the retailer, wholesaler, and agent are also the most important sources for any changes or entry in the competitors. In a new brand or service product enter the market, such as the service firm, could be distribution chain of the competitors. There are the new promotion chains. It the happens. Effective service firm would be the better of being one that the taken surprise due to intangible factors. Okay. So next one is the promotion flow. What is the promotion flow? By using the mass media or through direct marketing, the channel or the intermediates are the essential route of the promotion information. Travels from the former to the latter. The service from use of the channel implementation, push and pull promotion strategy. The channel is also source of information and effective of the promotion. That is promotion flow. So next one, pre-sales service. What is my pre-sales service? The manufacturing of the service from have been able to reduce the number of contacts with the customer and concerned on their core offers with the help of the channel members. Other marketing activities, sales such as the packaging, marking, pricing, and assembling goods, which is the suit of the final consumer, are also performed by the channel members and other facility, that is pre-sales service. Next one, price stability. What is meant by price stability? To give one and immense stability to the customer, the intermediate price hike, the continually of the price attempt of the overcoming into middleman competition. So next, post sales service. What is meant by post sales service? Post sales service like home delivery, installation, app maintaining and repair are the given by the middleman, the direct of the money received as the payment in the reverse direction, that is post sale service. Next, title to the goods. What is meant by title to goods? It is very relevant in the retailing through his does not the really work in service. Middleman like retailer take title to the goods, service and the transaction in their own name. The middleman share the risk with the vendors and the physical ownership of the goods will enable to the service to the consumer needs on the time. That is title to the goods. So thank you so much.